Okay. I was into the arranged marriage process because I was okay getting married, and random because of few people in my life. I was on Bumble as well. Never used it. Used it quite a bit in the beginning, but nothing turned out to be right. And December 28th, to be specific, I was waiting for my cousin to come from Canada at the airport, where I was bored, and just random swipe right is where I see someone named Prajwit, and I swipe right. Very honestly, don't remember the profile, don't remember anything. It was just a swipe right, and coincidentally there was a right from the other end also, and that's how the communication started. That's how we met, and there was some talking happening, but nothing very concrete in either of our heads is what I would say. The conversation went on for a bit, for a few weeks, where both of us were really busy, so there was no continuous talking. It was always an on and off.
Isha, are you tired?
What? Not at all. आके बैठ इधर थोड़े टाइम समझेगा. And one day, 9th Jan is when he asked me out for a date, and I was free, and it just worked out. Mia Kushina is where we met. I think we met around 7:30, and till 12 we were together. Through the entire date, I wasn't sure what was happening. It was a good date. We spoke a lot. It seemed like an arranged marriage conversation, very honest, because we spoke a lot about things no one would speak at a Bumble date, very honestly. But it happened. It just went with the flow and was very, very comfortable. But till the end, I wasn't sure whether I'm going to meet him next or what was happening. And till that time, we never had exchanged numbers, no Instagram profile, nothing. It was just Bumble. And I think as soon as we came out is when he asked for the number, and that's when I thought, okay, it's going somewhere. And yeah, and then it kicked in, and then it went on. Then officially we started dating on the 16th of January. But like a stupid person that I am, before that I told my parents about him because there were things coming up, and I was scared that he would run away as any guy would, but he didn't. And today we are 1 year down the line, where I sat for 6 hours to apply for Mehndi, and me sitting at one place is not something I could do. So that's where we are.
Perfect person for Ishaka. That's all my thing. Then for Ishaka, वो बहुत अच्छी है. She's being my sister. She's good. Thank you.
Okay, married life के लिए कोई advice?
No advice. Just live each day as it comes, and
let's live each day. Let them live each day.
The advice is that don't look for the perfect life. या जो भी tuning, जो कुछ understanding अभी आपका है, that's perfect. Just go by that and be happy. That's it.
So she was a potato when I met her. So all of us had that pre-puberty phase where we used to look stupid. I think Isha is still in it, but we still love her. She has become a little bit of a French fry, but we love her.
Okay, if you guys would have to name their love story movie title, what would it be?
Jab we met? No. Yeah? No. But that masti is
Can we
there.
make a new one? Personally, I call them aloo gobi. Hopefully, we see the matar soon.
was definitely her. She swiped right first, but I had to message first as it works on Bumble, in case anybody's been on Bumble. She replied back with a lame hi, which was like, I don't think this is gonna work out. But I was just like, let's just give it a chance, and I started asking her a few questions. I had this game called 21 Questions where, just ask questions to know the other person. And uske jo answers the, I think that is what, hooked me in, and it's like a great conversation after. Like we kept asking each other questions and answering them. Like this went on for like 3 or 4 days. Messages bas yahi chal rahe the. That's how it started, and I think we still keep asking questions to each other. It's more of her asking the questions and me just answering them.
ಅವು ಇಂಚ ಬಂದು ಏನ ದಾಂಪತ್ಯ ಜೀವನಗ ಅಂಚ ಇಂಚ ಬಂದ್ಬಿರುತ್ತೆ ತುಳುಟಿಂಚ ಈ ಬಣ್ಣತ ಈ ದಾಂಪತ್ಯ ಜೀವನಗ ಹಾಂ ಆನಗ್ಲ ಪೊನ್ನಗ್ಲ ಅಂಚ ಬಂದ್ಬಿನ್ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬಂದು ಅತಿ ಆನ ಇತ್ತ ಆನತ ಯಾನ್ ಆನ ಸೈಡ್ ಅದ ಆನಗ್ಲ ಪೊನ್ನಗ್ಲ ದಾಂಪತ್ಯ ಜೀವನ ಖುಷಿ ಟುಪ್ಪಡು
ओके फाइन बाय
और
नाल వచ్చి
नाल
ಒಂದೇ ಯಾವತ್ತು
ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್
ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿ
ಅದು ಪನ್ನಿ
अरे फुल
Yeah, wish them a lot of happiness and togetherness.
Okay, हिंदी में बता दूधो नाव पूछ क्या
Dudo now, puto palo.
And Prajvit, you have got a gem of a person.
हाँ प्रज्वल प्लीज टेक केयर ऑफ
You are lucky, yes.
इवन दो हम लोग उसको बहुत छेड़ते हैं बहुत सुनाते हैं बट शी इज आवर जान एंड वी लव हर अ लॉट so please take care of her. Our जान is yours
now.
ये नहीं लगा इसमें
about their relationship, that they share everything, every important thing with each other. So there's no oversharing per se, but whatever things are important from both the sides, they are always there together as a team. So that I love about them.
I think genuinely feel they both are made for each other in simple ways because I think they complement. I have not observed anything that in which they are contradicting or overpowering each other. I think they complement each other.
So we've had a long distance. So we've not literally stayed together or had those experience moments together but yeah, the long distance is very beautiful. I mean, no complaints at all. We've planned an entire wedding. We've like he's got a house. We've designed the house together. So all of that we've done, which has helped us grow. But I think we both believe that any couple to grow, it's very important to grow together. So in that way, I think we've made a home together. My career is going to start together. We're going to live together, so we're not going to have family around us. So it's the two of us for each other. So जो भी है साथ में करना है, वो groceries लेने हैं, झगड़ा भी करना है तो बाद में एक दूसरे से ही बात करना है. So I think that's something that is going to strengthen our relationship more, because we know we have habits which annoy each other. We have things which we like about each other also. So I think in the process, that is something I'm looking forward to and to grow together. So yeah.
Who is looking better today? Wait. Louder. Who do you think is looking better today?
Caught my eye when you walked past. Looked so good, I damn near crashed. Could it be I finally met my match? There was something about the way you just took my breath away. Got this feeling in my veins, so insane. Finally found what I've been looking for so long. You're the one. It makes me go.
When you saw her profile, what was the first thought you came into your mind?
Oh, just a smile, I think. I've always loved her smile since day one, and I keep telling her that even now. I think it's like a very honest, genuine smile. You can make out that she's a genuine person just by the way she smiles, and that's what got my interest into it.
अरे इतना कैमरा है तो किधर किधर देखने का?
ఇలా పోంది ఉల్ల యాన్ మూలు నికల్ రెండేలా పోంది ఉల్ల యాన్ మూలు పడదా
बचपन ठीक है, थोड़ा मस्तीखोर था, थोड़ा बस वही मेन, बाकी तो पढ़ाई वढ़ाई में एकदम होशियार था समझो.
ओके, कुछ एक विश देना है दोनों को फ्यूचर के लिए.
बस वही उन लोग का लाइफ में एकदम
वो लोग हमेशा आगे
बढ़ते रहे और एकदम खुश रहे, दोनों खुश रहे.
उनको सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन हो.
her support system. She is leaving her whole family and coming to live with you across the world. So please be with her, support her, and have a wonderful, beautiful life together.
We
wish you a very happy married life.
If you could promise her one thing for the rest of your life, what would it?
Like promise her one thing. It's just that I'll always be with her. I think we've always been each other's support system, and I don't think that'll change. Even when we've had our fights, I think there's never been a single day where we haven't spoken to each other. We've been very clear from the beginning that no matter what happens, we always have to be there for each other, and always keep talking to each other. And I can promise her that we'll stay the same forever.
दिल की बातें मैं अपने दिल में लिए, खुश था ख्यालों में तेरे सपने लिए.
मिल गई मुझे जहाँ की खुशियाँ, जो बातों में तेरी मैं खो गई. रूहदारी के सफर में हमराह तेरी हो गई, तेरी हो गई.
तू मेरे ख्वाबों में रूबरू भी तू मेरा आशियाँ. तू मेरी यादों में, मेरी बातों में, तू मेरा रहनुमा. तू मेरी है ज़मीं आसमां भी, तू जन्नत तुम हो जहाँ, जन्नत तुम हो जहाँ.